Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to talk about foreign direct investment. Now, simply mentioning, in today's time, the world has become a small village as it is becoming rapidly interdependent. Not only the goods and services, but the financial transactions are also moving beyond boundaries of the countries. In this video, we'll talk about the basic meaning of foreign direct investment along with some determinants of FDI. Now, simply stating, foreign direct investment can be defined as a financial process of incoming capital from a country outside the political boundaries of a nation. And talking about the formal definition as given by International Monetary Fund, FDI has been defined as an investment that is made to acquire a lasting interest in an enterprise operating in an economy other than that of the investor. Which means, for example, if I talk in context of India, and if being a person from India, I think of investing or acquiring any kind of interest in any enterprise which is established, for example, in Sri Lanka, then that will be termed as foreign direct investment since I have made some kind of investment in a foreign country. Now, talking about some of the determinants of foreign direct investment, the countries which have stabilized policies, for example, stabilized economic policy, stabilized monetary policy, they tend to attract more percentage of foreign direct investment. Another determinant of FDI is the production cost. Firms, they seek competitive advantage through lower production cost. That is, if they find that the production cost could be lower in any other country, then they would try to establish their production facilities in those nations. For example, Ford, the automotive leader, had set up a company in Chennai in India to make 1 lakh vehicles per annum. And Ford had planned to export these cars to South Africa from Chennai. Another determinant of foreign direct investment is the key technology. Basically, technology and businesses have been intertwined since the Industrial Revolution. Now, any country which has more or better advanced technology will certainly attract more foreign direct investment. For instance, many of the Swiss pharmaceutical companies, they had invested in US small biogenetic companies in order to gain cutting edge technology. Another determinant of FDI is customer access. Now, different international businesses, they need to be physically present in the foreign market in order to serve the customers better. Now, for instance, Starbucks, the very famous coffee chain, it cannot serve fresh coffee to its customers in Japan from the headquarters that are set up in United States. So they will have to establish one of their facility in Japan so that they can serve the customers of that particular place. Another determinant of FDI is availability of natural resources. Companies tend to access natural resources from those nations where it is available in abundance. For example, in order to access cheaper energy resources used in manufacturing, several Japanese firms, they relocated the production to China, Mexico and Vietnam where the energy costs were lower. Also, Hyundai, the automobile giant from South Korea, had chosen Chennai in India for its new car manufacturing plant. the skilled labor at low wages, location of auto part manufacturers such as Wheels India, Brakes India, Sundaram's Fasteners, India Pistons in and around Chennai, guaranteed power supply, cheap land, and proximity to seaport. So these have attracted the plant to the capital city of Tamil Nadu. So these were some of the determinants of foreign direct investment. In the next video, we will talk about the different types of FDI. Till then, stay tuned everyone. Thank you.